Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Jamie, and this is Ross.
Today we have a special on-location episode of Thirsty Thursday. We're at the Lucerne Hotel in Tait, Saskatchewan. We've been out at the lake, and we decided to come in and have a refreshment. And I'm having Pilsner and a little bit of clam. And Jamie will not have clam.
No, I'm just having a regular Canadian.
Okay, well, let's test this out, and we'll see how that is. Delicious, of course. And what goes better with
Could it be a pickled egg? It's a
pickled egg.
pickled egg.
That's an excellent idea, Jamie.
Oh, cheers, Ross.
A little rubbery.
A little rubbery. Good with more beer, though.
Good with more beer.